Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can hide the menus in here, the list of menus on Google Sheets in the updated versions. So if you guys also using the Google Sheet, you'll probably know that now the Google Sheet is updated and the appearance will go like this. It's like a new appearance, and here you can also hide, if you want to, you can hide this list of menu from your Google Sheets. And here's how to do it. So if you go on the right corner at the top, there will be an option here. This is the options to hide the menu, or you can also use the shortcut control plus shift and also plus F in your keyboard. But I'm going to just click on this and let's see the result. So if you click on that, the menus will be gone, but you can always search it in here. But you can also unhidden or show the menus just by clicking on this again. There you go. Okay, so that's all for me. That's a very simple tutorial, but I hope this will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.